Today, we're discussing how to set up a central vacuum system. It's quite simple, just acquire these 4 components. You'll need a vacuum unit, the installation kit based on the number of inlets chosen, a cleaning kit with the desired accessories, and the various inlets. The first component is certainly the vacuum unit. You can select the model you prefer, with or without a display, and to help you choose the right one, we've indicated the maximum area coverage for each unit model. For example, a Techno Prime 250 or an Evox 250 is ideal for spaces up to 250 square meters. The second component is the installation kit. To determine the correct kit, simply know the number of inlets needed in the home. Each inlet covers an area of about 30 to 35 square meters, so for a 120 square meter home, you'd need 4 inlets. To simplify selection, we've created installation kits that include 3, 4, or 5 inlets. Therefore, you just need to choose a kit based on the required number of inlets. Our kits are also stackable. For example, if you need a setup for 8 inlets, simply purchase 2 4-inlet kits. The third component is the vacuum inlets. At Sistem Air, we offer inlets that aesthetically match your light switch. So, to select the correct model, just find the model of the light switch chosen for your home. The fourth and final component, no less important, is the cleaning kit. Here as well, we've simplified the selection by offering pre-assembled kits. You can choose the hose length, 7 or 9 meters, and select the kit based on the quantity and type of accessories included, tailored to your cleaning needs. Lastly, you'll need to decide whether you prefer a standard system without on-off control or the patented wireless system from Sistem Air, which allows you to control the unit directly from the handle. This is everything you need to set up a central vacuum system. As you can see, it's very straightforward to purchase and install independently. If you need any support, advice, or suggestions, consider us fully at your service.